Hello friends, welcome to Fairs Club Learn to Lead. Good morning to all the students. As you know, we already started the topic-wise current affair of the January month of 2023. So there are so many topics, but today topic of discussion is books and authors. This topic is very important for every type of exam. So watch this video carefully and watch till last. But first of all, you have to download our application Careers Cloud from the Google Play Store. After that, log in with your email ID. Then click on this Crack Current Affairs section to subscribe our current affairs for 1 year as well as for 2 years. Both the subscription prices are very much low. But the most important thing, what we are covering under this 1 year and the 2 year subscription, we are providing you daily section. In the daily section, you will receive three things. One is the detailed current affair. Second is the question and answer format of current affairs, but both will be provided in the form of PDF or in the form of ebook. And third is the quiz section, and this can be attempted only on our application on daily basis. Next is the weekly section. Again, we are providing three things. One is the detailed current affairs, second is the question and answer format, but both things will be provided in the PDF format, and third is the quiz section, which you can attempt on our application on weekly basis. Next is the monthly section, and in the monthly section we are providing you four type of PDFs. One is the detailed current affair PDF, which is known as study PDF. Next, all the detailed current affairs will be converted in the form of question and answer. That's why it is known as question and answer PDF, so that you can revise all the current affairs in the question and answer format. Next is the best 100 current affairs will be provided. That is also provided in the form of question and answer. And last is the pocket PDF. It means one liner, two liner, or the three liners current affair will be provided to you, so that you can revise these current affairs very quickly before your exam. Next is topic wise current affair. This is very important section because we are providing 20 most important topic wise PDF. If you want to revise one or two particular topics, then you can use this topic wise PDF. If you are a banking student, then we are providing three things. One is detail, second is question and answer format of current affairs, but only related to banking and economy, and third is the quiz section. It is also only related to banking and economy, and you can attempt this quiz section only on our application on monthly basis. Next is exam PDF. If you want to cover all the current affairs before your exam of particular year, then you can use this exam PDF. Next is special current affairs section. In the special current affair, we are providing you budget and economic survey. Two things we are providing. One is detail, budget and economic survey. Second is question and answer format of budget and economic survey. It means you can recall that examiner can make these type of questions from budget and economic survey. If you are preparing for your respective state exam, then we are also providing state current affairs, and we are covering every state and union territory. So all these things comes under only one subscription. First of all, you have to just download our application Careers Cloud, then click on this Crack Current Affairs section, and you can subscribe for 1 year as well as for 2 years. And if you want 10% extra discount, then you can use this code ASH10. If you have any query, then you can email us on this email ID, or you can call us on this number. So let's start the topic wise current affair of the January month of 2023, and today topic of discussion is very important, and this is books and authors. It means books which were released during the month of January 2023 we will discuss under this video. So very important video, and here is the first question. Who authored the book The World a Family History? Very important book, The World a Family History, and this book is authored by Simon Sebag Montefiore. So answer of this question is 1. So Simon Sebag Montefiore, a British historian, discussed this recent book, The World a Family History, in an interview with an Indian historian, Manu S. Pillai. In this book, Simon explores how people and families have played a role in the convergences and divergences in the world history. And the two-part book was originally published on 27th of October 2022, and it is published by Hackett India. Moving to next question. Who authored the book Breaking Barriers, the story of the Dalit Chief Secretary? Breaking Barriers, the story of Dalit Chief Secretary is related to Kaki Madhav Rao. Answer of this question is second. So remember, the former IS officer Kaki Madhav Rao has authored a new book, Breaking Barriers, the story of a Dalit Chief Secretary, which addresses the details about the dynamics of the civil services at the ground level, and also fills the gap in the knowledge about micro policies and the governance. And this book is published by Amesco Books Private Limited. Remember, this book is important, Breaking Barriers, and this book is authored by Kaki Madhav Rao. Moving to next question. Who authored the book Ambedkar A Life, a biography of Baba Saheb Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar or B.R. Ambedkar at the Kitab Calcutta event? So book is most important. This is Ambedkar A Life, and this book is authored by Shashi Tharoor ji. Answer of this question is second. So renowned author Shashi Tharoor ji, the member of parliament from Lok Sabha from Trivendrapuram, Kerala, has launched his latest book Ambedkar A Life, which is a biography of Baba Saheb Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar, and it is launched at the Kitab Calcutta event. And the book is published by LF Book Company and promoted by Rupa Publication India. Remember, this is one of the biography of B.R. Ambedkar ji. Very important, even you can mark under the most important category. Moving to next question. Who has recently released the medical book named as Human Anatomy in Hindi, Manav Sharir Rachna Vigyan, written by Dr. Ashwini Kumar Dwivedi along with Dr. Vaibhav Chaturvedi and Dr. Kanak Dwivedi. So this is important, and this book is released by Mangubhai Patel ji, who is the governor of Madhya Pradesh. Answer of this question is 4. So Mangubhai Patel ji, governor of Madhya Pradesh, released a medical book named as Human Anatomy in Hindi, named as Manav Sharir Rachna Vigyan. And it is written by homeopathic doctor Dr. Ashwini Kumar Dwivedi, professor and head of the Department of Physiology and Biochemistry in the Gujarati Homeopathic Medical College, Indore, Madhya Pradesh. But you can remember the book is co-authored by Dr. Vaibhav Chaturvedi and Dr. Kanak Dwivedi. And the book was released during the third convocation ceremony of the Atal Bihari Vajpayee Ji Hindi University, Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. And this will be added to a few books on the medical science in the Hindi language. And the book is published by Madhya Pradesh Hindi Granth Academy. Just remember, this is just to promote the medical education in the Hindi language. Moving to the next question. Name the Chief Minister who has recently authored the book Mukhya Mantrir Dairy 1 that was launched by the Ranjan Gogoi ji, the former Chief Justice of India. Very important book. This is Mukhya Mantri Dairy 1, and this book was authored by Himant Biswa Sharma, who is currently the Chief Minister of Assam. So Rajya Sabha Member of Parliament and former Chief Justice of India Ranjan Gogoi ji launched the book Mukhya Mantri Dairy 1, authored by Himant Biswa Sharma, who is the Chief Minister of Assam. And the book chronicles the daily activities of the Himant Biswa Sharma during the first year of his tenure as the Chief Minister. So very important, this book is related to Himant Biswa Sharma. Next question. Who has recently released the autobiography of the techno-educationalist Professor K.K. Abdul Ghaffar, named as न जान साक्षी, Me as the Witness. This is in English, Me as the Witness. And remember, this book is released by Mahendra Singh Dhoni ji. Answer of this question is second. So former Indian cricket captain Mahendra Singh Dhoni released the autobiography of techno-educationalist Professor K.K. Abdul Ghaffar, named as न जान साक्षी, Me as the Witness, at a grand function organized in Kerala, and the first copy was received by Marwan Al Mulla, the CEO of Dubai Health Authority, from the Mahendra Singh Dhoni. He also presented copies of the book to the dignitaries. Moving to next question. What is the name of a memoir which was released by the Prince Harry, Duke of the Sussex? So just remember this memoir named as Spare, and mark this question in the very important section. Prince Harry, the Duke of Sussex, a member of the British royal family, was released his memoir titled as Spare, and the book was specially written with the assistance of American novelist J.R. Moehringer, and the book is published by Transworld Publishers Limited. Transworld Publishers Limited, which is a division of Penguin Random House. And the book reveals the details of the Harry's relationship with his father, King Charles, his elder brother Prince William, and the other members of the royal family. Just remember, the name of the memoir of Prince Harry is Spare. Moving to next question. In January 2023, Mansukh Mandavia ji, the Minister of Health and Family Welfare, launched the book titled as Braving a Viral Storm, India's COVID-19 Vaccine Story. Mark this question in the very important section. And this book was launched in New Delhi, and named the co-author of this book Braving a Viral Storm, India's COVID-19 Vaccine Story, along with the Ashish Chandorkar. And the co-author was Suraj Sudhir. Answer of this question is 4. So remember, Mansukh Mandaviya ji, the Minister of Health and Family Welfare, launched the book titled Braving a Viral Storm, India's COVID-19 Vaccine Story, and it was launched in Delhi. And the book is co-authored by Ashish Chandorkar and the Suraj Sudhir and published by Rupa Publications India. And Narendra Modi, Prime Minister, has received a book from the Ashish Chandorkar where he has detailed India's advancement in the vaccination. Moving to next question. In January 2023, the English version of the book, Odalam Vanga, titled as Come Let's Run, was released by Krishnamachari Shrikant, former captain of the Indian cricket team. Who authored the book? Odalam Vanga in Tamil, or in English it is known as Come Let's Run. And this book was authored by Ma Subramaniam. Answer of this question is 4. So just remember, the English version of the book titled Come Let's Run by Tamil Nadu Health and Family Welfare Minister Ma Subramanian ji was released by Krishnamachari Shrikant, former captain of the Indian cricket team. And the Tamil version of the same book titled as Odalam Vanga was released in March 2021. And the book was published by Emerald Publishers, and the English translation was done by the Geeta, a teacher, along with the J. Joycey and the Sharon. You don't have to remember, just remember this book released in English named as the Come Let's Run, and its old version in Tamil named as the Odalam Vanga. Moving to next question. Who authored the book Revolutionaries, The Other Story, How India Won Its Freedom, that was recently released by Union Minister of Home Affairs Amit Shah ji. So this is the story of the revolutionaries during the Indian independence, and this book was authored by Sanjeev Sanyal. Answer of this question is 4. So remember, Amit Shah, the Union Home Minister, released a book titled as Revolutionaries, The Other Story of How India Won Its Freedom, authored by economist Sanjeev Sanyal, member of the Economic Advisory Council to the Prime Minister at a function in New Delhi. And he was the principal economic advisor to the finance minister for the 5 years till the February 2022. Moving to next question. Who authored the book India's Knowledge Supremacy, The New Dawn, that was recently published by Dharmendra Pradhan, the Union Minister of Education? India's Knowledge Supremacy, and this book was authored by Ashwin Fernandes. So, Dharmendra Pradhan, the Union Minister of Education, launched the book titled as India's Knowledge Supremacy, authored by Dr. Ashwin Fernandes, the international Indian expat, and the thought-provoking book is published by Bloomsbury Prime. And the book was launched at an event organized at Dr. B.R. Ambedkar International Center in New Delhi, and Union Minister Dharmendra Pradhan stated that the world has always benefited from India's knowledge system and the traditions. So that's why the name of the book is India's Knowledge Supremacy. Moving to next question. Who authored the book The Poverty of Political Economy, How Economics Abandoned the Poor? So this is a style book, The Poverty of the Political Economy, and this book is authored by Meghnad Desai. Answer of this question is 2nd. So the book is published by HarperCollins Publishers India, and through this book, Meghnad Desai studies the contribution of economics to the domestic and international politics, especially from the Adam Smith to the John Keynes, and from the Great Depression to the collapse of the Lehman Brothers. So the Indian-born British economist Meghnad Desai has authored a new book titled as The Poverty of Political Economy, How Economics Abandoned the Poor, which highlights how the discipline of economics since the time it evolved from the 18th century systematically kept the interest of the poor at the periphery. तो ये थे हमारे पास बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट करंट अफेयर। आई थिंक वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा होगा, तो वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें और चैनल को अभी के अभी सब्सक्राइब कर लें। आप हमारे हर प्लेटफॉर्म को ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं, फेसबुक है, इंस्टाग्राम है, लिंक्डइन है, टेलीग्राम चैनल है, लेकिन हर नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिलेगी टेलीग्राम चैनल पर, तो इसका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दिया हुआ, वहाँ से ज्वाइन करें। थैंक यू गाइस, टेक केयर एंड बाय बाय।